And today, I want to show you guys how I clean wheels using a rinseless wash method. You know, out in California, we got droughts, and we're really, the government makes it really hard on us as far as a business, so we have to be as conservative on water as we can. So we had to adopt a few things like doing rinseless car washing and rinseless wheel cleaning. This is one of the harder things I've found to do when you're doing it rinseless, but I have a great way of doing it, and I've got a couple things here. First thing I'm going to show you is this red thing attached to my bucket. This is something fairly new, and it's one of those things that I can't believe nobody ever thought of, but it's from Detailing Outlaws, and it's called a Buckanizer. I love this because, you know, with wheel brushes, some of them are pretty small, and they can fall down in the bucket, and you have to like fish them out, and it's really annoying, but this actually has little drain holes on it, so I can just leave my brushes there for quick access without having to dig through, you know, nasty wheel cleaning solution. So here's how I'm going to get started. I'm going to start with my big brush first. This is just CQuartz Pro Echo in here, mixed at normal dilution ratios. I'm going to dip it in here and get my brush wet, and I'm going to clean the barrel just like this. And I'm not going to bore you guys while I do the entire wheel like this. Hopefully Alex will speed this up and cut it out. Boring. I know. Thanks, Alex. Okay, so now that I hit the barrel with my big brush, I'll put it back in my bucket just to rinse it off. I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to use my smaller bent wheel woolly brush to get the areas like this, just right behind the spokes that are a little bit harder to get with the big brush. I'm kind of OCD, so I really like to clean all that stuff. Again, I'm hoping Alex just somehow magically forwards this video through so you don't have to watch me do each individual spoke. If he doesn't, thanks for watching. And now I'm going to go to my really tiny brush and my Buckanizer here to do behind the brake caliper. And then also, while I have my tiny brush out, I'm going to actually use it to get in this area right here, because this is one of those areas that I always seem to notice that after I clean a wheel, and you pull the car outside and you catch it in a different angle, that I'll see dirt in here. And it's just the nature of wheels, so this makes this really quick. So just hit all those real quick. And then I'm going to take my cheapy Costco towels that I use for wheels only. I'm going to dip one in my rinseless wash solution. I'm going to go around the face. Now keep in mind, these wheels were not that bad. They were just normal, probably 2 or 3 weeks of driving. If you have like a hideous wheel that's got like etched brake dust on it, you definitely should be using a chemical decontaminant like Iron X, or maybe even, if they're really bad, maybe like a mild acid or something to get that brake dust really broken up. But if you're pretty good about keeping up your car, this works great, and it's actually pretty quick. So after that, I'm back to my cheapy towels just to dry the wheels off. And then I'm gonna grab my big brush again out of my Buckanizer. I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna wrap my towel around the end of it just to do a quick swab on the barrel. Cool thing about rinseless, I'm using distilled water, so even if I didn't get all this out of here, it's not gonna be the end of the world because it's not gonna swap. And that's how I clean wheels rinselessly using a Buckanizer, some wheel woolly brushes, CQuartz Pro Echo, and some cheapy towels. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OCDetailing. Please subscribe for more videos.